Welcome back. In today's quick Telegram tutorial, you'll learn how to set the swipe gesture to pin chats so you can organize your conversations faster and keep important chats right at the top. If you use Telegram daily, you probably know how easy it is for important messages to get buried under new ones. The good news is Telegram lets you customize swipe actions, and setting it to pin can save you a lot of time. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. This will open the sidebar with all your options. From there, tap on Settings. Now you'll see a list of different settings. Go ahead and tap on Chat Settings. This is where Telegram allows you to customize how your chats behave and appear. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Chat List Swipe Gesture. This setting controls what happens when you swipe left on a chat in your chat list. Tap on it, and you'll see several options available. To make pinning faster and more convenient, simply choose Pin. And that's it. Now, whenever you swipe left on any chat, it will instantly be pinned to the top of your chat list. This is especially useful for keeping important conversations like work, family, or priority contacts always within easy reach. It's a small setting, but it can make a big difference in how you manage your chats every day. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of the app.